Hi, my name is Whitney. I'm a brand new employee for Mountain Maids here in Bozeman, and I really enjoyed my week. I feel like I've gotten a really thorough training. I so far really like my job and am anticipating my time with the company. So Monday, I did say I started Monday, and I really enjoyed it. I've had lots of jobs through my time, lots of seasonal jobs, different career types of employment, and I would say honestly that Monday was probably one of my first days at any of my jobs. I couldn't stop talking, especially to my mom and my boyfriend, about how much fun I had. Tuesday was the same way.
We're here with Mandy now. I'm extremely excited to be interviewing Mandy because we're a brand new employee who has never cleaned a house in her life.
Nope, never. Only my own.
So what do you think now?
It's a lot easier than I was expecting. With the process has made it a lot easier for me, for one. But no, I kind of was worried going in. I was afraid I wouldn't know. I honestly was afraid I would just kind of be thrown out there, and then I really wouldn't know what I'm doing, and I wouldn't be able to make it, you know. But coming in and learning the, you know, your process and watching the video and then doing the video made it a lot easier, honestly, and I didn't feel so stressed out because I knew what was expected of me. It was, you know, very simple, laid out. I would just do the process and, you know, get the result. So it made it a lot easier.
You are, exactly. So you watched the video once and then you watched it again.
Correct.
What was the value of watching it twice, do you feel?
Oh, for me, watching it twice, I'm glad I watched it twice. You know, the first time I kind of got the idea and I paid attention, and then I kind of saw the questions. But watching it the second time, it kind of put it more in my head, I think. I don't think I would have remembered it as well if I hadn't watched it the second time. It was kind of nice to watch it, kind of see the questions, and then talk about it a little bit, and then watch it again. Because I'm never going to get everything the first time. And now that I've actually got to do the process.
Now let's talk the value of Tracy and the training.
Mm-hmm.
Had we just shown you the video twice and then sent you out to clean a home, how would that have been?
Oh no, I don't. Even though watching it twice did help me remember, I probably wouldn't have did so well. I think if you had just sitting me out there and left me in the bathroom all alone, I would have forgot some things, I believe. I kind of had the idea. But you know, those little things even. Or even like those little things that I wouldn't necessarily have caught because I've never really did this before. Thank goodness Tracy was there. So having her in there with me definitely helped, especially to prepare me for the next one when I kind of was by myself, you know, and she could just come back and kind of peek at it. Because there was a lot more involved in bathroom cleaning than I would have thought.
I always get a kick out of that too. I mean, like, it's not brain surgery, but you can't just go brain dead either when you're first learning.
Right, right.
So she watched you. Even simple little things like putting your towel back in your apron. Do you think that would have become a habit without Tracy saying two things?
Oh no, if Tracy wasn't in there, it definitely wouldn't become a habit. Because it is kind of, you know, at first you're kind of like, feel a little bit awkward. Probably if Tracy wasn't in there, honestly, I might have just like set that bottle down, or you know, and not put it in there, because she did have to a couple of times remind me, and I'm like, oh. So yeah, it wouldn't have went very well. I would have been okay, but it wouldn't have went too well. No, definitely, I think that's definitely needed someone there.
Process.
Yes.
So our audience needs to hear that you cleaned the bathroom. The first one, we did not find one single error, did we?
No.
No. When you got that, now you had Tracy by your side,
Right.
which is true.
Right.
But then indeed, you cleaned the next bathroom while we were training somebody else, right?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. Did she find a mistake in that one?
No, I think she had to remind me about the toilet strip.
Oh, okay.
Putting that on at the end. But no, because I just followed the same process.
Okay. Okay.
You know, and as long as and which is how I kind of did today. As long as I follow the same way every single time, then I won't miss all that stuff.
Okay. So it is now Amanda's. You worked Wednesday afternoon, we trained you. Thursday and Friday you worked.
Thursday, Friday.
And then by Friday afternoon you were out with a team on your own. And today you were totally on your own.
Yes.
Did Renee find anything wrong?
No, not. You know what? I forgot that toilet strip again. When we got there, she had to remind me about the toilet strips.
Well, the good thing is we're doing away with the toilet strips. So as soon as you get it as a habit, we won't be doing it anymore. And the other thing is, did you keep up with Renee? Were you able to help her with the floors?
Yes.
How was your speed?
Yes, I was able to keep up. Obviously, she's still a little faster than me, but I was able to vacuum and even did a little bit trying with the mop. And so, yeah, I was able to help her quite a bit.
Amazing.
And I felt like we got back. She said we did a pretty good time, so I was afraid I would hold her back, but no, the day went really smooth.
Yeah, I'm absolutely amazed it's your third day and you guys are back in here before most people and you've got all your jobs done. Absolutely wonderful.
Yeah, it went really great.